The latest culinary trend is something called root-to-stem cooking, where no part of the vegetable goes to waste. Most of us have been doing that for years. In fact, in your grandmother's day, it would be unthinkable to toss any part of a vegetable. Everything was used. But what about the peels of onions and garlic, which we all toss in the trash? Can you really use those? Turns out you can. Why save the skins? Onion and garlic are possibly the most widely used vegetables in all world cuisines. But most of us throw away their outer skins and peels. That papery covering may seem like just throwaway packaging, but you'll be surprised to learn they are actually nutrient-dense and have several household uses as well. Plants are stationary by nature, producing everything they need to defend, protect, and heal themselves. Therefore, it makes sense that plants would concentrate many of their protective properties in the outer coverings where most environmental attacks take place. The outer skins of onion and garlic provide an excellent source of vitamins A, C, E, and numerous antioxidants. The skins of onions are also a rich source of flavonoids, particularly quercetin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Peeling garlic removes the phenylpropanoid, antioxidants, which protects the heart and helps to fight the aging process, along with helping to boost immunity and lower cholesterol. Don't be surprised when you start seeing garlic skins in health products on the market. To maximize health benefits of onions and garlic, use organic whenever possible to avoid ingesting pesticides sprayed on the outer layers of congenitally grown vegetables. Check out these 7 uses of garlic and onion skins. 1. Add extra nutrition to soups and stews. Onion and garlic skins can be used to add extra nutrition to soups and stews when making bone broth or stock. Strain the papery skins out afterwards. 2. Better roasting. Keep the skins on your garlic when you roast them. The protective layer keeps your garlic soft inside while adding healthy nutrients listed earlier. 3. Nutritious rice. Mix in some onion skins when cooking rice to add extra vitamins. Make sure to let them steep as the rice cooks. Simply remove the skins after cooking. 4. Mix into bread. Add 1 teaspoon of ground onion skin. A mortar and pestle work well to grind. To your homemade bread dough to add a mild flavor and nutrients. 5. Relieve muscle cramps. Boil onion skins for 10 to 20 minutes, making an infusion. Drain the skins from the water and drink it as a tea before bed to help relieve muscle cramps. 6. Induce natural sleep. As a natural sleep aid, brew a cup of onion skin tea. Simply pour boiling water over several onion skins. Cover and let soak for 15 minutes. Strain the tea or use a tea ball and enjoy. 7. Add nutrients to compost. Garlic and onion skins are a great way to add nutrients to your compost pile.